Sophie, we're connected because my best friend Chris Aquino is related to you. But the question is this, bakit nung nag-uumpisa ka dito sa industriya, parang ayaw, the impression that I got was, ayaw mong gamitin yung apelidong Cuangco o di kaya Reyes, na may-ari kayo ng Far Eastern University Hospital and even the school, no? Which is now, of course, owned by the Montinolas. Bakit parang ayaw mong kami naman gusto namin mga ang aming apelido, di ba? Ikaw parang ayaw. I mean, is this a correct reading?
I don't want to say naman na ayaw,
Okay.
but I grew up being a Reyes, right? And in showbiz, ang dami ng Reyes. So they asked me, maybe you want to change it, and maybe you want to change it to Cuangco. And I felt like, parang it was such a big responsibility to make it Cuangco. And I grew up not having that in my name. So I chose to have my mom's middle name instead. But it's not naman na ayoko or no naman.
The pressure of being who you girls are, meron?
You know, to be honest, there's really none from my family. The pressure is
No, I mean,
really from everybody else.
Correct. That's what I'm trying to say. Na, hey Max, Eigen man ka, dapat magaling ka.
May ganon, but I think that I dealt with that kind of pressure a little more difficult nung mas bata ako.
Nag-uumpisa?
Pero nung nag-uumpisa ako, kasi parang naramdaman ko na meron talagang malalaking shoes to fill, 'di ba? Pero nobody in my family made me feel that I had to do that. They allowed me to become my own person. And ngayon na tumanda na ako, na-realize ko na yung pressure na yan it doesn't affect me as much anymore.
Kanina, Sophie, you said na nung bata ka pa, you would see me because I would be in
Yes.
a lot of your family gatherings. What were you thinking about me and Chris? Kasi lagi kami magkasama ni Chris noon.
Tito Boy, I used to watch you guys every Sunday with my mom. Like, I never miss an episode of you guys. So, of course, whenever I see you, nasa starstruck ako kasi ganun pala yung itsura niya in person.
Oo.
Pero, I've been a fan ever since.
Thank you very much. Do you have a relationship with your tita? I mean, si Chris?
With Tita Chris, not so much.
Kasi hindi kayo parehong henerasyon.
Yes,
Oo.
Hindi kami masyadong naging ano. And I think she and my dad also, my dad is way older than her.
Correct.
So,
Oo.
and our family is a big family.
Very big. Pero patuloy tayo lahat nagdadasal na sana'y gumaling pa ng gumaling
course,
si
yes.
Chrissy.
Yes.
But thank you. I mean, you know, I feel I am in the company of family and friends. And congratulations because you guys are doing The Missing Husband.
Thank you,
Diba?
Tito Boy.